po, gaano po kalaki yung mga pagbabago na ito. O, dito na lang po tayo mag-concentrate. 2025 budget. Magkano po yung pinopose nyo at magkano yung naaprubahan na budget?
Ang natatandaan ko po, Your Honor, the general expenditure program ng PH 45 was 900 billion. What came out of the General Appropriation Act is 1.08 billion.
Meaning, gaano po kalaki yung nadagdag?
1.088 trillion. Your Honor.
Gaano po kalaki ang nadagdag?
The dagdag is 180 billion. Your Honor.
At sa nadagdag po na 188 billion, ito po yung mga infrastructure projects, tama po?
That's correct.
Sa pagkakaalam nyo, saan kumuha ng mga program of works at paano nakapagdagdag ang House of Representatives at ang Senate ito sa mga galing po ba ito sa DPWH, yung mga programa na ito?
Yan ay hindi maliwanag po, Your Honor.
So ito po ay ginawa ng BICAM without your knowledge. So makakaalam lang po ng mga insertion na ito ay particularly yung BICAM, Senate Committee on Finance, and Committee on Appropriations of the House of Representatives. Tama po ba yan?
Well, as far as we know, Your Honor, that will be product of BICAM.
Thank you. Yun na lang po ang aking at Mr. Chair, I would like to move that in order to clear up things, to clarify matters, should invite the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations in the last Congress, the 19th Congress, and the chairman of the committee, Congressman Saldico and former Senator Crespo. So move, Mr. Speaker.
You know, last August 4, I delivered a privileged speech questioning the, I think, mangled beyond recognition 2025 budget, and I was very specific on the automatic appropriations. Almost ang daming ginalaw. So hindi lang yung program appropriation, new general appropriations ang ginalaw pa yung program. In fact, towards my ending statement, I have said the 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress. Sinabi ko yan. You know what? Nung araw sa time namin, pag may nag-mention sa previous budget, yung former chairman, tatayo kagad yan sa plenary. Magsasalita, question of privilege, individual and collective privilege, i-explain kung anong nangyari. Mr. Chairman, August 4 ako nagsabi, 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong narinig na denial man lang sa previous chairman o sa previous members ng committee. Does this mean na hindi nila kaya i-dispute yung sinabi ko na 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress? So I second that motion, Mr. Chairman.
I am objecting on the motion. I am objecting on the motion. Chairman, I would like to know the reason why, because I would like to find out if we're going to invite them here, are they resource speakers or they are members of the House of Representatives? Are we going to ask them questions? Are they going to answer it? We'd like to find out.
So kung isang congressman, sabi nyo kanina kahit sino masagasaan, wala tayong sasantuhin, kahit congressman, kahit senador. Eh kung ang congressman hindi pa pwedeng maging resource person at hindi natin pwedeng pa-testify under oath, eh di ibig sabihin sa usapang to, exempted ang congressman. So paano tayo mag-iimbestiga? Paano tayo? Number one. Number two, Mr. Chair, here is the USB. Sinasabi, paano nagkaroon ng insert? Under the name of Congressman Saldico, ang insertion sa BICAM as proponent siya is 13,803,693,000. And we do not want to invite him as a resource person.
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Comsec, can you show this para lang
Yeah.
sabihin hindi ako
Mr. Chair, with
nagsisinto?
due courtesy.
Wait, I have the floor.
Yeah,
I
i-correct
have
ko
the
lang.
floor.
Yeah, but
I have
Mr.
the floor.
No, Mr.
I
Chair,
have the floor.
just to, on the
I have the
record,
floor.
on the record, Mr.
I
Chair,
have the floor.
we did not refuse to
I have
invite.
the floor.
Mr. Chair, motion to suspend.
Mr.